after almost being late, we're going to a cruise right now. And we are literally late, bro. I don't know. I was sleeping and yeah, we might be screwed. We'll see what's up though. Did we made it? Did we make it? Huh? No, where did we make it?
Oh, wait, where are we?
Car cruise, guys. I literally woke up like 10 minutes ago because I freaking somehow slept over it. Oh my god. So we made it. We're at the spot. There's a bunch of freaking cars, dude. But I almost overslept it, bro. Oh my god. We're gonna be doing the POV drive of the whole thing. I'm gonna cut out the boring parts. There's like 40 cars in total, and somehow I got accepted. I don't know. I just texted the dude, and we were gonna do something cool to my car, but we tried a Christmas tree, but we miraculously failed because it was too small. We're going over our favorite Z's. This one's on Meisters, dude. Oh my. The wheels cost more than my car. Super clean. Let's go look at that one again. Nardo Gray. Like, oh my god. This VQ's nice. I don't want to get in people's ways. Look at this one though. This one's my favorite, dude. This is kind of how my car's, the color is gonna be, dude. Damn. Clean. Look at that back. Give me your wheels, sir. What do we say? Give me your what?
Penis.
Huh?
Your wheels. Give me your wheels.
Correct. Next buy for real. So this guy beat me to my goal. Look at this. Oh my god, it looks so cool. I want to do this to my car so bad. Bro, I want to do this. We're gonna do that soon. Another VQ. Damn. I need one. How do you feel about carbon fiber hood on my car? It's real, bro.
I think yes.
Yes. And then my Lexi's over there. You can see her. You can see a smidge of her right now. No, we're not going to Safeway.
Yeah, we are.
No, we're not. This guy wants ice cream. It's a Scat Pack Hellcat. I don't know what it is. It's a wide bodied and it has eyeballs. You can see it like moving left to right. Hold on. Like, look. That's so cool, dude. Yeah, we're going to see him on the freeway. That's such a cool little touch. I'm going to do my first POV drive. I have the head mount on. I look a little weird. But look, I have my head mount. So we're gonna do our first POV drive and we'll see what's up. No, because I want to record the whole thing, but I have to stick out my phone out the window, you know, so I can just turn my head or something like that. I don't know, we'll see what's up, but I think this is gonna be super fun. Super sick. Sir, don't make me just... Alright, I'll probably have to turn my ticket, put the headphone out, and then we'll get to cruising. There you go. Alright, so here we go. We're about to leave in a little bit. Sorry if it's bad, it's my first time. So, bruh. Yeah, everybody was just revving it and I missed out because my freaking phone didn't want to get in my stupid phone now.
Nothing saying you can't do it right now.
Huh?
Nothing saying you can't do it right now.
Bruh. Thank you, sir.
The neutral's right there.
Look at that. Look at that car. Yeah, I'm trying to turn down the things. Yeah, guys, I don't know if this looks good or not because I can't see. Haha. Same engine as me behind me. Yeah, guys, sorry if it's bouncy too. Remember, my car is bouncy as hell. Bikes. Damn. Oh my god. That's stupid fast. Jesus Christ. Everyone's behind us now. Oh, to show me. twins.
Also slapping.
Oh my god. That sounds... Bro, why does mine sound like that? What the hell? Yeah, this is so cool. That Mustang is so fucking loud. What the heck? He has a center exit! Damn! This is the V8 place! Even though mine's slow. Holy crap! God damn! I don't know if it's windy, bro. I'm gonna close my white window. Yeah, guys, I don't know if it's windy. It's windy as hell. So, but I'm trying to get the best I can do for you guys. You know, this is my first time doing a POV. Guys, on these twisty roads, we can actually drive normally. I mean, yes, my wheel's upside down, but I can actually turn, you know? Yeah, it's so freaking loud when I put the windows down. But look, you actually drive the car normal for once, dude.
Is that an R34?
Oh yeah, that's I saw he was coming. R34 Christmas lights. He put those on today, dude. We need to do that, dude. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at that. Oh, there's another car on Christmas lights. Hopefully I'm recording this right with my head because I can't see what I'm doing. Look at that. There's a BRZ and looks sick. Oh my. Alright, what are we up to now, dude? I need to do that, bro. Oh my. Oh my god. That looks so sick. I'm stuck behind this normal person. Why is there a Hummer EV just freaking slamming the gas over there? Dude. Dude, that LS. Oh my god. What? No. Dude, who's shooting flames? Do it near me. I'm the content man. I know. Oh my gosh. Dude, you gotta send me those rollers, dude. Damn! No. Holy shit. Bro, get these videos for me. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I got packed. I think everybody's now together. Oh, it looks, guys, but hopefully it looks good. Half of my peripheral vision is blocked. Oh my god. Miata! I'm recording on Snapchat now, guys! Oh my god. My stupid phone ran out of storage somehow. Alright guys, we're gonna have to run it on Snapchat now, dude. I can't do anything. Alright, there's a cop. Someone just noted to us. Yeah, I'm cruising with these couple cars right here. Cause supposedly we're like permitted to cruise or something. So they lied to us, guys. They lied. I don't know. I'm literally recording on Snapchat because my phone decided to give out. So yeah, videos might be a little lower quality now. You know, I need a camera, dude, or a GoPro. Something that will last me the whole time. Damn. Shelby's so nice. I know. Dude, that Corvette, dude, sounds amazing. Gotta brake. I don't know where we're going. Where do we go? Oh. So yeah, I guess we're at the meetup spot now. That was super fun, but my freaking camera died. Alright, we're here. Damn, look at that BRZ. All the cars, all the homies made it. Ugh, god damn, bro. Having my freaking phone die is so annoying. Yeah, this is sick. Everyone's pulling in. Yeah, I'm recording on Snapchat, so hopefully the quality is a little not bad. Sick, bro. Dude, I need to do that, bro. That's gonna look so cool. Yeah, everyone's pulling in now. Damn. I need a camera, dude. Something that will last me for real. Because this is crazy. Like my car, what the heck? Oh, psych? I'm just kidding. No girls are allowed in here, guys.
4% battery for the rest of
4%
the
battery?
Yeah.
Bruh. Sir, your brakes are squeaky. Dude, this Z is sick, bro. Damn. It was a sick cruise, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I might continue a little bit, but it was super fun, bro. Damn. Damn. I caught that on video, too. Looks sick. Guys, there's no better way but to finish with McDonald's, but that's gonna be the end. I'm tired, and we're just gonna head home. There's a spot, but he has to go home, so that's gonna be the end of it. Finish it off with McDonald's, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, like and subscribe, please. Is it me? Is it just me, or the best thing in this world having a full sauce and dipping it in there like? Oh. Catch you guys in the next one.